Meet OLO. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. OLO is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, OLO uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. OLO works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from OLO's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. OLO can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and OLO does the rest. OLO uses a special photopolymeric resin. OLO prints your design by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. OLO can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After OLO prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. OLO has different resins for different jobs. OLO can print hard objects and flexible ones. OLO even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. OLO's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. OLO resins are available in a variety of colors and are priced competitively with other common 3D printing materials. Anyone can use OLO. All you need is creativity. With OLO, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.
When it came to OLO, we wanted to revolutionize 3D printing.
We wanted to design a 3D printer that's affordable and easy to use.
OLO will cost just $99.
Because we want everyone to have one.
Spread the word. Help us bring OLO to everyone.